Hey, it's Mark Ferguson with Invest for More. We're standing outside a fix and flip we just completed the work on, so I'm going to walk through, show you everything we did, go over the numbers, and of course check out investformore.com for much more information on the flips, rentals, being an agent, investing, all that good stuff. Also have a number of books on rental properties, fix and flips, being an agent, that have a ton of information in them as well. All right, so this house bought for $245,000 from the MLS. So made a commission when I bought it, which is always a nice bonus since I am an agent broker and can represent myself on these deals. And just for people who are wondering about how that works, I have my own office. We started Blue Steel Real Estate in April, so obviously I can pay myself a full commission and I don't have to pay any percentage to another broker. So if you're an agent, you might have to pay that percentage to another broker. And I also can have one of my agents, Justin, put his name on the contracts. So it's not actually my name that goes on the contract as the agent, because sometimes there are banks or other sellers who don't like to pay a commission if the agent is also buying the property. So we have an agreement where he puts his name on it, but we still kind of do all the work on it. So this house, we have the before video on it. If you look in the description, what it looked like. Wasn't in horrible shape, but they had quite a bit of stuff. They left a lot of stuff too, which technically you're not supposed to do, but they did. Was not updated very well, so did flooring, paint, kitchen, baths, some trim, a couple of windows, and let's see, fixtures. Yeah, it wasn't crazy remodel, and we used one of our contractors who actually, if you just saw my update from earlier this week, on the 4-level house, the blue 4-level house, same contractor did this one that did that one. So he doesn't like to do paint. He doesn't like to do everything. So he comes in here, kind of does doors, kitchen, bath work. Then we have someone else come in, finish the painting after he's done. So I think we spent about $25,000 on materials, labor to get this all done. I also shot a video on the kitchen, which I'll be posting soon too, just to show you how much the costs were on the kitchen, and broke all those down and ended up being right about $7,000 in materials and labor for cabinets, counters, appliances, sink, labor, all of that. And almost everything's from Home Depot. But used to have a peninsula there, decided not to take that out, that saved us, or decided not to put it back in, that saved us a bunch of money there. So I said, that's the kitchen, and then we've got 2 bedrooms up, 1 bathroom up, and then 2 bedrooms down, 1 bathroom down, so 4 bedroom, 2 bath total. And it's got kind of a divided bathroom here. New vanity. Our painters, who are very, very affordable, but sometimes they make a few mistakes, actually painted our gray vanity white on one leg. And to fix it, we're hoping maybe they'd match the paint. Well, it ends up they painted the entire bottom part white. So it's not too noticeable, but we notice it. Still not worth getting too upset, changing everything over. In here, our contractor who we use in this house is really good tiler, does great tile work. And actually, he's one of the few guys who we let pick out his own tile, because he usually has really good taste, does really good stuff. But yeah, new tile, new tub, new toilet in here. Did have to put a new window in here, but most of the windows we were able to save. All right. Here's the other bedrooms. Just Home Depot carpet. I think this is firecracker is what they call it. People are wondering. We buy it in bulk, so we'll get rolls and rolls of it in our storage unit to save money. And we didn't put, I lied, we did not put doors. We just painted them white. So those are the original doors, but we painted them white since they weren't in bad shape. And that was an original window that we painted. It was kind of darker before. And over here's the other bedroom. Same with that window, original window, but we painted it white. It's a wood window. You could kind of see on the outside there. Wood. And we have not cleaned the house yet, so we still got to get our cleaners in here. As far as numbers go, like I said, bought it for $245,000, spent about $25,000 on the repairs, have another $20,000 or so in other costs, which include commission to pay another agent. Again, like I said, we can list them ourselves, but I'll pay the buyer's agent, carrying costs, financing costs, and some maintenance, mowing the yard, doing snow removal while we have it. And then I'm guessing $315-ish we're hoping it'll be worth. So this is Eaton, Colorado, where we're at. Very few houses for sale, pretty desirable area. This room was just an office when we bought it. And it's funny because Nikki and I walked through here last week and we walked into this room and I didn't even notice it. She's like, there's no closet in this room. I think we asked our contractor, or we forgot, not for sure, to put in a closet over here, and it never got done. So carpet was in, paint was all done, and we're just like, oops, we forgot about the closet. So had one of our other hourly guys come in and put a closet in real quick and touch up some other things. Still have a couple small blue tape items to do. It's the other bedroom, which is pretty good size. And those windows are just dirty. Hopefully they get them cleaned up when they clean the house. Here's the second bathroom downstairs, which has the laundry room in it as well. Those were here when we bought the house. They seem to work fine, so we just left them. Again, here's the bathroom, new vanity, toilet, tile. So there's that. And then we have the family room over here. That was kind of real dark paneling, and we replaced that just with this wainscoting stuff. Painted it, same over here. Pretty affordable, pretty easy to do. And we thought about possibly putting another bedroom down here, but I'm not sure if a 5-bedroom versus 4-bedroom is worth that much more. And then our furnace is in there. So you can't have your access to the furnace through a bedroom by code. So it would have had to be configured kind of weird, and we had to put a closet somewhere. So we decided it just wasn't worth it to do that. All right, so that's the inside of the house. We'll go through the garage and backyard a little bit, which sometimes I forget to do. So pretty good size, 2-car garage. One thing we still need to do is they're gonna put some weather stripping down below that garage door to help close up that gap. It was full of stuff when we bought it. If you wanna see the before video, like I said, when you buy from the MLS, you're usually supposed to take everything out, clean up the house a little bit. They didn't do any of that. Not really worth trying to get them to fix it. It was a good deal. Sometimes we put in the contract, they can leave stuff and we'll clean it up, but we did not do it on this one. Backyard sucks, to be honest, but it's almost November in Colorado. We can't seed it or plant grass this time of year. The fence, we could replace it, but that's probably at least $5,000 to do that fence. And it probably won't hurt the value as much as it will cost to do the fence. So that's why we leave it. Again, just, you can spend money like crazy on these houses, but a lot of times you're just not going to get that money back. So you have to be very smart. The house is nice, it should sell, but there's a few things, the new owners could definitely still do to make it perfect for them. This deck, we did add some more supports on the bottom. It was a little wobbly, painted it, so it looks a lot better too. And the roof was already done when we bought it, which was nice. The paint on the outside was already done, just had to touch up a few real small spots. So that was nice as well. All right, so that's the property. We'll get it listed here pretty soon as it's cleaned, get on the market, and hopefully it sells quickly. I actually just got a direct market deal under contract about 2 blocks that way. So we'll have a video coming up on that one as soon as I buy it. But there's a tenant in it, so it might be a little while. All right, thanks again for watching. Again, we always love the thumbs up. Any comments you have, we appreciate. And if you want to subscribe to see our upcoming videos, be sure to do that. All right, take care. We'll have more videos soon.